fucking big goddamn Porsche truck over that bit. I know they be sliding that bit. That's crazy. Hey, look, hey, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I know I've been going for a little minute or whatever, but I had to, bro. I had to let, you know, I had to let some of y'all boys, you know, do y'all shit, bro. Like, I want to see everybody grind, folk. I want to see everybody win, bro. Like, everybody needs, you know, everybody needs spotlight, folk. So, I'm letting all y'all boys grind, win, shit like that. I fuck with it. I've been seeing hella niggas with 300s popping out, bro, just in time for the summertime and shit like that. I fuck with that shit. Hey, though, I ain't gonna lie, folk. Hey, I'm ready to get paid. Like, I'm ready to get paid. I know y'all see that in the back. I know y'all see that in the back, folk. And this right here, what that nigga keep saying, this right here, hey, I'm gonna put y'all niggas onto this shit. Y'all just gotta wait for the next video. But when y'all see, you know, what this shit can do, y'all gonna be like, damn, you know, and shit. I ain't gonna say this is the reason why I was waiting. Shit, I was waiting, but I don't know, bro. Like, I just wanted my shit to, you know, play out and grow and shit like that. I wanted y'all to see my old videos, and y'all been doing that shit. Y'all been checking that shit out. So look, folk, I'm ready to go ahead and connect this shit to the back or whatnot. And then I'm ready. I'm in a biddy, bro. If y'all know me, y'all know what I mean by I'm in a biddy. So I'm in this shit, and you know we ready. You know we ready to cut up. You know we ready to cut up. Oh, like, so yeah though. We ready to do that shit. Get that shit out the way. Like, I gotta get fried. I gotta get fried first though, folks. Get fried real quick. Then go ahead. You know, just cut up in a biddy. I'm ready to get me some food for me and my shorty and shit. And we ready to just go from there. So look, I'm ready to hit y'all back when plus I got that goddamn pedal commander in this motherfucker. Shit, that's wild. I think it was on the other lane and shit. I'm sliding this motherfucking shit. I'm right about this key, folks.
That's what the fuck I told her, your honor. Hey, I be spending commas, baby, so you know I can fuck your mama, baby. I'm riding in that thunder. Hey, bitches see it and they wonder.
riding this bitch for? We pushing this bitch for? What y'all think?
B went off again. Oh my God.
What you doing, man?